Have you ever taught a 4th grade class about your watershed? We did. We are the Minto River Watch team. We gave a walk through the Forest River watershed to our 4th grade class. Our lesson objective is students will be able to describe the Forest River watershed and its features. Prior to our tour, students took a pre-assessment of the watershed vocabulary. After they completed the test, each one was given a checklist to keep track of the vocabulary. Checklist. So when we go out there and we go on our virtual tour, you're going to have this with you. You're going to need to bring a pencil. And on the back, you're just going to check off the words as you learn them. So there's like headwaters on there, outlet, confluence, and you will be learning the definitions of these words. So as you learn them or see them in the hallway, you can just check them off your list.
You're going to start in the south branch of the Forest River, which is the elementary, your hallway. And then once you go into the junior high hallway, that'll be the north branch. And once you go into the commons or by the cafeteria, that's called the main stem, which will eventually lead you to the Red River. So.
Our school layout allowed us to give our 4th grade class a tour of the Forest River. The hallways in our school were used to represent the tributary and main stem of the Forest River. We begin the tour with the South Branch, where the students get a foundation for what a watershed is.
So hold your hand like this, and I'm going to spray some water in your palm. Where's all the water going?
Does it stay in the same spot or does it spread out? No, it went all over your... Yeah, it spreads out. It goes all over your hand.
So think of these little creases in your hand as the river, and these are little lakes. That's what a watershed is. Your watershed is your whole palm, and where the water goes is the river.
Then the tour moves to the Middle Branch, where they will learn watershed vocabulary.
Nobody's ever heard of it? What do you think it means? Okay, take a guess. Okay, this is the middle branch of the river, and this is the south branch of the river, and we're coming together. No, the rivers are coming together. Okay, a confluence is... Have you guys ever heard of the word conjoin?
Yes.
Think of it that way. It's where two rivers conjoin. So the south branch and the middle branch are coming together. So it's confluence. You guys get it?
Okay. Cody, you read all of them. No, I asked what do we call the height of land above sea level? A outlet?
Starts with an E. It's not on your checklist.
Elevator.
Someone read it for me.
Elevator.
You're close with
Elevator. Elevator. No.
Change the
Elevators.
ending. It's not an elevator. An elevator
Elevate.
is a building. No, not quite.
11.
No, not quite. Elevation.
Elevation.
Remember, someone read that one for me.
I read it. Okay, cool.
Now we will move on to the main stem, where the students interact with hands-on learning experiences.
Good. So, what's some fun things you can do on a river? What else?
Swim.
There you go. Anything else?
Tubing.
Yeah. Or lake even.
What about in the winter?
Yeah, or lake.
Fishing.
There you go. That too. Well, we're gonna do some fishing vocabulary. So everybody get in line. Who wants to go first? No one? Alright, here you go, buddy. Oh, you got one right away. Look at that. Oh, you got two. Okay. We'll ask everybody, what are two cities on the Forest River?
Where does Grandma live?
Forest River.
There's one. And then you.
Which town are you in right now?
Minto.
There you go.
Yep.
The other one is Fordville. Fordville. Alright.
So right here we have these little things, and they're like man-made Secchi discs. And with this, you can go down and see how dirty it is in front of the right. Okay, so when we're doing this in the water, okay, can you guys come here? And we're doing this in the water, you could like, you have to be in the shadow of it, and you pull it up until you see it. What do you want to try it? No, like,
Put your
like
head
when you see
over it.
Yeah.
And then so until you can see the perfect,
No, until you can see the shape.
yeah, until you can see the black and white shape. How far down?
This one is the most like dirty water, so it's kind of hard to see.
So can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay,
This
so
one
that's
would be the level.
that. Out of all this water, you can only see that, and that's up at 350.
Right there?
Yeah, I see it.
So we can't, all that water, and we can't see it till right there. All right.
Isn't that crazy?
So it's like putting your hand in a water. If you put your hand so far down, you can only see your hand with only this much water.
And that is a tour of the Forest River watershed. What do you guys think?
We love it!